Hi guys, and welcome back to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and in today's video we will be working with Forge's REST API using SwaggerUI. Forge's API provides powerful functionality from importing configurations to seamless data exchange with your own systems. This tutorial has 3 parts. First, we will guide you through authenticating with API keys in SwaggerUI. Next, we will show you how to import configurations, and finally we will use the OPC UA API to read and write data to Forge. Let's get started. This time we don't start any modules, but we start by creating a new API token. The view to create tokens can be found from the user icon and then pressing the API keys. I will add a new key. I need to give a description for it, and then I will copy the key with this button. And finally, I create this new token, and then I will navigate to the SwaggerUI. It can be accessed from the advanced menu by clicking the Open API documentation. And here we can see the complete public API that we provide, and the authentication can be done from that button. And I need to paste the token right here and press authorize. And then I'm ready with the authentication. Now we continue to the importing configurations. You can import configurations to Forge with JSON format or by using CSV templates. In this example, we are going to create 3 new variables with the CSV file. And the method to import new variables can be found under the modeling API. And here, first, I need to use this get method to download this CSV template file, and after I have filled out the template file, I need to upload it by using this post method right here. So I will start by downloading the header file, so I will execute this call. I get the response and I can press the download button. And now I received this CSV template file. And here I can see all the fields that I need to fill out to be able to import these new nodes. And now I have filled out this template file with these 3 new variables. I have given a name, a unique node ID in the expanded node ID format. I have given the parent node ID, which is the object folder in this case, so it's the node ID of this object. Then I have set the type node ID to be 63, which is the node ID of base data variable type, and the data type ID of 11 means double. And these node IDs for the type nodes and data types can be found from the OPC UA specification, and the links can be found from the blog post. I will save this file now and close it, and then we can move to the other call where we can upload this new file. So I will go to download, and I find the file we just modified, and after I press execute, I see that we get the response code of 200, and we can see that our address base has 3 new nodes, which are variable nodes with data type double. And next we can continue to the last part of this tutorial, where we are going to write data to this variable 1, and then we are going to read it with the REST API. So the OPC UA API can be found from the list right here, and first I'm going to navigate to the right call. And here press try it out, and next I will copy paste my predefined body to write data to variable 1. So I have defined the node ID, the attribute to be value, and then I have configured that the data type is 11, and then this part means the value that will be written to the variable. So I will execute this method, and I see that the response code is 200, so I can refresh here and see that the value is 5.5. And I can also read that data with this method right here. So I will try it out. And then I will copy paste the pre-made template for this one. So I will read from the variable 1 the value attribute. So I will press execute. And now from this response body, I can see that we receive the value 5.5. And that's the end of today's tutorial on using Forge's REST API with SwaggerUI. We started by walking through how to authenticate using API keys in SwaggerUI, then moved on to importing configurations in the Forge. Finally, we demonstrated how to use the OPC UA API to read and write data to Forge. In the next video, we will learn how to use Forge's redundant feature for redundant data sources. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.